Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you set theory. Particularly, I will solve some more important problems in multiple choice questions. Let us start the topic. Here our first question is, if a set has a 5 elements, then order of a power set of A is equal to, choice is given, bit A 5, bit B 25, bit C 32, bit D 16. For solution we know, if a set A has n elements, then its power set will have 2 to the power n elements. If a set A has n elements, then its power set has 2 to the power n elements. Here, cardinality of A is equal to 5. Then cardinality of power set of A is equal to 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So here bit C answer. So the answer is bit C, that is 32. So we get answer for question number 1 is bit C, that is 32. Now let us proceed to solve question number 2. In question number 2, solution for 2. So here A is given, the power set of A is, choice is bit A, bit B, within curly bracket phi, curly bracket phi A, then within curly bracket phi, curly bracket phi, double curly bracket phi A, and in bit D we are getting within curly bracket phi, double curly bracket phi. We know the power set of A is the collection of all possible subsets of A. So here A is equal to curly bracketed phi, then curly bracket phi within curly bracket. So it contains 2 elements, and its power set will contain P of A. The cardinality of P of A will be 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Now power set of A here is the collection of all possible subsets of A. Phi is the subset of this set. Now curly bracket phi, double curly bracket phi, and the set A itself here, and the set A itself here. So we get power set of A is phi, curly bracket phi, double curly bracket phi A. So it is in bit C we get here. So answer for question number 2 is bit C, that is this set phi, curly bracket phi, double curly bracket phi, then A. So now let us proceed to solve question number 3. In question number 3, if A is any set, then A union A dash is equal to phi, A union A dash is equal to x, A intersection A dash is equal to x, none of these. So now here X is the universal set, A is any set we take here. Now the set A is the shaded region and A dashed is the region which is not shaded. So here A is the shaded region and A dash is the region outside of A that is not shaded. Then A union A dash is equal to completely the universal set X. Then A union A dash is equal to X, the universal set. So here the answer for question number 3 is bit B, that is A union A dash is equal to X. So this is the answer. With this our third question is solved. Let us solve question number 4, in which Q is equal to X, or that X is equal to 1 by Y, Y belongs to M. The choice is 0 belongs to Q, 1 belongs to Q, 4 by 7 belongs to Q, 2 belongs to Q. Now N is the set of natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So here the set Q is equal to, taking N is equal to 1, we get 1, taking N 2, taking the natural number 3, we get 1 by 3 like that. So obviously here 1 belongs to Q. So solution for this question number 4. Solution for this question number 4 is B, that is 1 belongs to Q. So now let us solve question number 5. Question is A intersection B is equal to A. It means A intersection B is equal to A, and A B intersection C is equal to B. This implies A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C. So this implies A is a subset of C. Then A intersection C. Then A intersection C is equal to A. So for question number 5, the solution will be bit A, that is the set A here. Because it is given A intersection B is equal to A, means A is a subset of B. B intersection C is equal to B, means B is a subset of C. And A intersection C, now A is a subset of B and A is a subset of B, B is a subset of C. Therefore A is a subset of C, means A is included in C. So A intersection C is equal to A. Now solution for question number 6. Here cardinality of A is equal to M and a cardinality of B is equal to N. Total number of subsets of A is B of A is 56 more than that of a number of subsets of B of B. So this is the cardinality of PA is equal to 2 to the power M, and this is 2 to the power M. So it is given here 2 to the power M minus 2 to the power M is equal to 56. So it is possible when this This is possible if and only if here m is equal to 6, n is equal to 3. So that it will be 2 to the power 6, 64, 2 to the power 38 is equal to 56. Therefore, m is equal to 6, n is equal to 3. So, here the question should be like this, 6 and a 3. Therefore, the answer for number 6 is B to C, that is 6 and a 3. So we get the solution for question number 6. Here m is equal to 6 and n is equal to 3. So that the total number of subsets of A will contain 56 more elements than that of total number of subsets of B. With this, the topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.